seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Harford to 8 miles northeast of Bel Air to Jarrettsville to 6 miles west of Jarrettsville to 19 miles northwest of Cockeysville and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pleasant Hills, Bel Air, Fallston, Havre de Grace, Fallston, Aberdeen, Perryman, Jarrettsville, Fallston,